Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. In this video, basically we are doing a change out, and I was able to put together a little bit of film for y'all. This is at the local resort we take care of, and we had to change out 2 systems, so I filmed the one I was working on. So y'all kick back and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, we got a change out today. Here's the air handler I'm about to start working on. Changing it out to a brand new bright 2-ton air handler. So I was going to film some of this for y'all today. We're at our local resort we take care of, so we're going to get this one changed. Y'all stay with me. So it's the big one-piece door train. All right, pull our power. The water in the pan down there. I'm not sure who was diagnosing this one. I'm just here to help change it out. So don't really know what completely failed with it. We're just here to get the new one put in. So get the float switch unwired. Thermostat wires out of the way. All right. Now I gotta get my high voltage out. All right, we're good. Got our ground wire unwired. Oh man, that would be loose. Probably long enough. I can just snip it. Alright, just gotta get this nut off and get it pulled out. in the water. Yes. Oh yeah, right in the water. Right where I wanted it to go. Nope, let's have a clogged drain. Must have been a issue. Those screws out. All right. All right, there's the old one out, guys. Just got to prep for the new one and get it slid in here. Alright guys, here's our new system. 1.5 ton carrier air handler with a matching Bryant condenser. About to put it in. Alright guys, so we're setting it on our new box, setting our new unit on the box. We're having to use the existing box in this situation. So we're gonna have a little gap on each side. We were fine lengthwise, widthwise. We're not okay. So we have a piece of metal laying right over there that I'm gonna use as a filler and then get this secured good. So y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, getting our front taped up. There's Dylan. And getting the first piece on. Just gotta get her sealed up. Made $26 so far off of it. Alright guys, we're about to set it back in the closet. And just gonna show y'all what we did. Nice metal sides. It's always nice to have a new box, but sometimes you gotta work with what you got. So alright, we'll set it back in. Ready? Oh, it's quite a bit shorter, ain't it? Alright guys, so we got it pretty much in place. I went ahead and sealed up one side of the supply. Now I'm gonna move on to getting it brazed in so we can pressure test it. Alright guys, as you can see, got the brazing done. Mr. Dylan here is pressure tested. And got our new outdoor unit set as well. So he's going to get it on vacuum. And yeah, we'll be wrapping this thing up shortly. Alright y'all, I'm back inside. The taping and sealing is all done. So basically all we got to do is wire this thing up and run the new drain. And we'll be all finished. So I'm going to first start with this high voltage line. Get it ran back in. Knock out right there. So we'll go from there. What's up?
You doing a video?
I am. It'll be a change out video.
Just installed a new system, changing it up.
Takes care of that. All right, guys, we're almost finished up. I had to skip ahead a little bit, but just gonna show y'all what we done here. New air handlers in, new drain, float switch. We had to leave the pan. I know, would have been great with a new one, but it is what it is. So we just gotta wait for it to click on, test it, start up, be good to go.
Those jumping spiders are impossible to get. Yeah, they're quick as shit. See you, buddy. Thank you.
Alright, guys, we're wrapping it up. Just checking our refrigerant charge and letting it run, dial it in. That's gonna take care of this one, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all on the next one.